In this video, we'll review considerations for required test drive processes intended to reset or calibrate vehicle systems. Some vehicle manufacturers may require this process to reinitialize the vehicle after repairs or after other scanning and calibration processes are complete to ensure the vehicle systems are functioning properly. Audatex has addressed these operations in their database reference manual, and test driving the vehicle is a not included operation. Adding a test drive to the estimate would require a manual entry. In the Mitchell Collision Estimating Guide, or P pages, road testing the vehicle is only included in the alignment procedures, listed as verify alignment by road test. It's important to note that this step would only be included when utilizing the listed labor time for alignment rather than sublet, and that verifying the alignment is different from dynamic calibration requirements that the manufacturer may call for that require driving the vehicle to reset systems post-alignment. The operation of a diagnostic road test to determine if alignment operations are necessary is also a not included operation in Mitchell. CCC treats the operation similarly. According to the Motor Guide to Estimating, the labor time premise identifies road test vehicle as not included. The one exception to this rule is when using the book labor value for a wheel alignment. Driving the vehicle is considered one of the procedural steps after performing a wheel alignment. However, the road test does not account for many of the specific tasks associated with the test drive being performed for calibration or reset of systems and settings.